Welcome to the channel. Today we will guide you through the process of deleting your account on the Falou app using your mobile device. If you have decided to remove your account, this video will make it simple and clear. First, open the Falou app on your mobile phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the Progress section. After that, go to the top right corner and click on the Settings icon. Then, from List, click on I Need Help. After that, scroll through the options and click on How do I delete my account? Next, choose the option that says No, I want to delete my account. Then, a confirmation prompt will appear. Click on Confirm to finalize the deletion process. Finally, your account will be deleted, and you will no longer have access to the Falou app under that account. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.